tight.
Oh, what are those?
I don't know, but they're cool.
They're like literally in their different shapes. That's, oh god, oh. Are they really starting with the finale already?
No,
Those look like, those vaguely resemble objects, like the red and green and yellow and stuff.
that's, we're trying to, I guess, represent.
Or one corner at least. No, like California's like street rules. Oh man.
This is a long show.
Oh, the grand finale is the best part.
Of course it is. They literally light up everything.
Yeah. Like in San Diego, it's like a viral video. Like San Diego, all the fireworks went off at once. Literally, the sky was literally lit up and it was so loud, like every car alarm in the city went off. And San Diego's like pretty large, and, like all of them went off at once, the fireworks. So every car alarm was like ringing afterwards. Oh, that resembled something.
That was a heart.
Oh yeah, that was a heart. Those appear to be like Saturn. Oh, what's that? Saturn. Yeah. Yeah, those ones look like arrows. Oh, okay. That Saturn one is so far the coolest one. They do them that looks like they look like smiley faces. They make those ones now. Those smiley ones. Those were like everywhere last year.
Ooh, damn.
Oh god. You see the color and then you hear the boom. Oh, Saturn again. It's another Saturn. Okay, now the Saturns are becoming multicolored. Yeah, this is a long show though. I've been filming since the start. So far it's been going on for 5 minutes and 43 seconds. Oh, since we have the grand finale right on our heels.
Oh, you see the plane?
Wait, there's a plane? Oh my god, there is a plane up there.
Hey, he's got the best shot of everybody.
Yeah, like if the plane, like, imagine if I was in that plane right now, I should have been because I was about to take another plane from Salt Lake today. But that guy up there, he's got all the best views of the fireworks. What if a firework hit the plane? What would happen? Oh, man. Oh, they're getting loud now. The orange ones are pretty cool. Oh, no, that looked kind of like a weird shaped Pac-Man almost. That last one. Oh. There's the moon. 7 minutes. We're going over 7 minutes. Oh! Oh, that was oh, God. Oh, I think, yeah. Oh my God, this is the best part. I think this is the grand finale. I think when they launch them all off at once, that's,
wow.
Well, if so, then I'm getting a lot of footage. I've been filming since the very beginning. Oh. Whoa, 7 minutes, 37 seconds. That's insane.
How long does it take?
Oh, it's normally about
like 7.5 minutes.
Yeah, almost. Actually, it's more like 7 3/4 now. The show here is like really long, and the last part is always the best. They like launch off a bunch of them at once. Oh my God! Literally, the sky's all stained with smoke and stuff. And because my house is so, I think my parents may be watching the fireworks right now too, because we're so close by. Oh! Oh, star. Up star. I thought we were gonna like launch a star for every state, you know? launched like 3 stars. And then I was actually thinking they were gonna do one for like every state. Oh, orange. Yeah, I got it back now. Okay. Oh, we're getting the pretty ones now. Bro, it's been going for almost, this is like almost 10 minutes long. I'm still filming this too. Oh, are they really playing Party in the USA? That's just horrible, man. Come on, bring the grand finale already. This has been going on for almost 10 minutes. Oh, God. It's pretty and everything, but geez, this show is long. Dude, this thing's been going on for like 10 minutes. I've been filming since the very beginning. Oh, geez, this is one long-ass show. Oh, oh, okay. Of course they're playing Miley freaking Cyrus as well. Oh, I think this is the grand finale, perhaps? Maybe? Boom. Rainbow. Oh, is that? Oh, no, it's not it. Oh, we got some rainbow ones. Come on, grand finale already. Let's go. I've been filming for 10.5 minutes. Rainbow again. Bring us the finale, man. Come on, this thing's been, oh my God. Almost 11 freaking minutes. This show is freaking long, dude. Chief Scott, been standing here for a long time as well. Bro, this show is freaking long. Bring on the grand finale already. Oh, Stardust. Pretty. It's taking forever, man. 11.5 minutes, bro. Seriously, man. It's insane. Oh, come on. Oh, that's a rainbow one, but I don't think oh, come on. This is like the longest I've ever seen the fireworks go on for. Last year the show was like 9 minutes. I didn't get to film it because I wasn't right here. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, okay. Oh, that one looked like a face. Oh, yeah, that's the smiley one. That's the smiley. That was the smiley. 12 minutes, dude. Oh, upside down smiley. Yes, they do have the smiley. That was a weird one. Different angle. Oh, another smiley.
Wow,
yeah, the smileys.
That was a good smiley.
Oh, now they just launch all the smileys now all of a sudden. Bro, they got a lot of the smiley faces. 12.5 effing minutes. Bro, this is just totally insane. Never seen it go on for this long. They must be feeling extra pumped because it's summer in California.
It's the 4th of July.
Oh, but the 4th not for 3 more days, dude. The 4th ain't for 3 more days. Everything ended now. Oh.
Yeah, but it don't matter. They're celebrating.
Yeah, they might be spells. They have like probably they do like 4th of July fireworks here too. So they must have like an abundance, so they're launching off extra ones. Oh, 13 minutes now. This show has been going on for 13 minutes. Oh yeah, here's the grand finale. Or is it?
I don't know.
Come on.
I think so. They're slowing down.
Slowing down. They've been launching. Well, they're now launching them.
They're going a little bit faster, but not that much faster.
And they're launching like, yeah, because like it should. And they're gonna like start launching like a bunch of them. Oh, nope. 13.5 minutes.
Wait, what song is it?
$14 minutes. That it? Is it?
No.
Oh, wait. Oh, nope, that ain't it, I can hear him whistling. Oh, orange and green, Ireland. Oh, yeah. They're slowing down though. I mean, how many do they have? How many different fireworks do they even have in the first?
Soccer team's got a lot of money. They got a lot of fireworks.
And they do this on a yearly basis too. Every time there's the first game of the season, they always launch fireworks. Whatever game it is, they always launch fireworks. You like hear them launch, and you hear like a loud thump, and they launch. Oh! 15 minutes, bro. This is long. Oh god, how many fireworks do they freaking have? Yeah. I mean, 3 days before the 4th and all, but this is a little much. Like, the fireworks and grandmas aren't even that long. Oh.
Now it's all American fireworks.
Yeah, and they launch them all at once because that's the finale. Yep, now they got all the American ones. They're white and blue. Oh! Oh! 16 minutes! This thing's been going on for 16 friggin' minutes. They should do a really good they should do like a really big grand finale and launch the rest of them on like a lot. And we'll get a cool grand finale and it'll be over soon. Oh, this is the grand finale. Oh, come on. 16 and a half freaking minutes. And they still haven't done the finale yet.
Wow.
What? Yeah, they're launching all the America ones. They haven't even done the grand finale.
That's the way to do it. You gotta do it.
Well, they did like a really big grand finale and launch all of the rest of them all at once. 17 minutes, bro. This is a long one. I've been standing here in the same spot for 17 minutes. Oh, yeah, this is it. This is the finale. I'm zooming in on this. Oh, yep, this is it. This is it. Oh! The Big America! And that's... Is that it? Oh, there's more, there's more, there's more! Oh! Oh, more! Oh, Jesus Christ!